cool goes. It's no rules, bro. I got two doors. I got two walls. Me and Pluto.
Welcome back, ladies. Some of you requested hair content, so here we are featuring 14-inch butterfly locks from ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ. Thank you in partnership of this video. Now let's get into it. So here I'm just showing you guys on how I start off this style, and that is by creating what I call the ladder method, where I just basically plait my hair into sections in the beginning of my head. You definitely want to make sure your parts are top tier and neat. As far as the back of my head, that section will be braided back to make the style install a lot quicker, and this is what it looks like once I cornrow them all back. This bundle does come with 5 packs, and each pack comes with 11 strands of locks equaling 55. I already done majority of my head off camera, leaving with 4 left to do, which is where I wanted to show you guys on how I do it. So just putting the rest away, I'm opening up the loop on the lock, grabbing the crochet needle, sticking it through the base of my plait, and then from there I will attach the butterfly lock, open up the loop, which is what you see here, and then I will pull both my plait and the lock itself into the loop. You can do it separate or together as long as they're both through, but always just make sure to tie it tightly. After that, as far as hiding the plait, you're just going to crochet it into the lock until it's unseen. Very simple, very easy. It may be time consuming, but it does give you a better individual look, in my opinion, for the front of your head. And then once it's all tucked into the lock, this is the butterfly lock you will get. Pretty much, basically, you follow the same steps for the front of your head until you get to the back. I don't know about you guys, but I don't have the patience. But when it comes to being cute, I have all the patience in the world, sis. So take your time with this style if that's what you're aiming for, which I'm assuming you are. It's 2021. To be better, you got to do better. Alright guys, y'all already know what time it is. It's time to get them baby hairs sleek and on fleek. I have a whole video on my channel on how I achieved them. Nothing has changed that I know of, other than the products I use, which is Edge Booster. They're the bomb and they smell good. After this is done, that is it for this style. I hope you all enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe to the vibe, and I will catch you all next time. Bye.
My boys movers, got so raving, tell the future.